let's go ahead and get started on the guide block. So the guide block is just a front view of this three-dimensional object. You're going to look at the dimensions just on this front side here. So moving over to the line command, we're going to start this line at 0, 0. And we're going to draw this line 3 and 3.75 to the right. So my ortho is not on, so I want to make sure that I go down and click on the ortho. So I'm going to type in 3.75. And I don't know this angle, the length of this angle right here, but I do know that it's 60 degrees. So once again, thinking about 60 degrees off of 180, so that would be 160 minus, I'm sorry, 180 degrees minus 60, which would be a total of 120. So on the other side of this angle, from this being 0 over here over to this line, would be 120. So I don't know the length of it, so I'm just going to type in a random number. I'm just going to type in 3 and then hit tab 120 to give me a random length line. And I know it's not going to be that long, but I just needed something to define the length. So I'm going to go back over to 0, 0, starting working over here on this left-hand side and coming up to this top, because once I need to work up through here and then come back down with this angle. We know the angle, we don't know the length, but where those two lines intersect will be the place where we trim those. So starting over to the left, I'm going to go up 1.25. Oops, let's try that again. Over 0.75. Up. Let's see, so 1.75 minus the 1.5 is 0.5, over 0.75, and then I don't know the length of this line, so I'm going to just go ahead and draw this at 2.5, and I want that to be at a 25 degree angle. I'm going to trim this, and that's going to be the end of that part right there. So I'm going to locate my circle. I know the diameter is 0.75. I know it's 1.5 inches over, 1.75 up. So let's just go ahead and type in 1.5, comma, 0.75 for the X and Y location, and the diameter is 0.75. So that's it for the guide block.